What's up, guys? It's Frozen Steel, and today we're going to be doing a tutorial video. Similar to our wave dash video, it's just going to be over half flips this time. And so we're just going to get right into it. This is what a half flip is. So pretty much, it's like a backflip, but midway through, you turn your car around, so you land going forward. So you'll end up doing something like this. So pretty much the first step is make sure you're backflipping correctly. You're just doing straight backwards. So yeah, just make sure you're holding your thumbstick straight down, double tapping A. And then the next most important step is right as you double tap A, push up on your thumbstick. You'll see me in this. I'll redo it a few times. So you should end up on the top of your car, sliding like this. Alright. That's what it should look like. Let's watch the controller overlay. And then once you get that step down, you're going to need to have your arrow left or arrow right bound. As you can see, mine are X and B. So I'm just holding X and it's spinning me to the left, and I'm just holding B and it's spinning me to the right. What you don't want is to have manual arrow. That's what manual arrow is. You want to have like actual arrows bound. So once you have those bound and you've gotten this part down, as soon as you flip cancel, so as soon as you push up on the thumbstick, you want to begin holding X or whatever your arrow left or arrow right button is. So I'm going to demonstrate with the arrow left because that's the one I normally do. So, as you can see, backflip, hold up, and then press X at the same time. Backflip, push up on your thumbstick, and then hold X. And it also works with B, or with your arrow right. I haven't really done much practice with this one, so I might be pretty bad at it. There we go. And the most important thing is you want to be holding up on your thumbstick the whole time, until from the start till the end. All right, because if you let go in the middle, it'll do something like that, and that's not what you want to be doing. That's pretty much the basics to it, and then some applications are like recoveries. Let's say you get bumped in an awkward position. Like I mentioned in the wave dash tutorial, coupled with the wave dash, it's one of the most efficient ways to gain speed. So you can see I get bumped, lose all my speed, wave dash, and I'm going supersonic, and I barely even tap boost, I'm pretty sure. I don't think I even did. But yeah, half flips are extremely useful. Another good time is, let's say you're going to get boost, or you're just rotating out of net, and then all of a sudden you see the ball's rolling at net. You can half flip and get back in time, get to the far post. It's really just handy if like you're just doing some sort of challenge. You 50 it, the ball goes behind you. Instead of doing something like this, you want to be able to do something much faster. You can do it like this, and boom, you're driving forward. And another thing that I figured out a little after I learned it is you can actually boost while doing it. So you're gonna want to wait till you're pointing the direction you're trying to turn. So don't boost while you're backflipping like this. I mean, you can, but just focus on boosting at the end, and that'll get you going supersonic. And yeah, that's like pretty much the basics. There's also another way to do the half flip. I've not really mastered this because I like the other way better, but you can do a back corner flip. So what that is you push in between left and down, or right and down. So you can see like here, I'm not gonna do any flips like there or right there. Those are back corner flips. So you do that. You do a back corner flip. And then after you do it, you immediately push straight up on the thumbstick. So back corner straight up. Back corner straight up. And it gives you like 90% a half flip. But it angles you just a little bit. So a lot of times pros will use this in certain situations. So like the other one's good at getting you straight back, or pretty close to straight back. And then that gives you more of an angle. But yeah, that's pretty much the basics. Hopefully that teaches you something, and then it'll probably take you not that much time to learn it. Honestly, I learned it within the first week of playing because I didn't know that it was. I didn't really know what it was. I was like, I saw a tutorial and I was like, great, I'm gonna learn this. So you can definitely learn this if you're at bronze. You probably won't need it until you're silver. But if you're anywhere above silver and you don't know how to do this, you absolutely need to learn this. This is vital. This is like something that you can just do in free play. You can just An easier way, instead of doing what I'm doing a backwards wave dash and then doing it, which is decently difficult. It's probably more of like a diamond champion and above thing. You can just take your car, throw it, push your thumbstick to the left or to the right like this. So you do something like that. And when you're halfway through, do the half flip. That'll get you going like that. Don't do that. Well, I guess you can do that in a real game. It's not gonna help you really get any speed off of it. But yeah, that's pretty much the basics, and I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like. And soon I'll probably make a video of me playing horse with some of my friends for freestyling. Have fun and enjoy.